Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag free internship and courses program. In this video we are going to learn Google is providing the free project management apprenticeship 2027. So you can apply now. Last date is August 3rd 2026 and this is for the any graduate. So here Google has announced the free project management apprenticeship program 2027 for graduates across the India. In this video, we'll learn everything about the 24 months Google Project Management Apprenticeship, including the eligibility criteria, bachelor degree requirement, less than 1 year of experience. Location, each four locations are there: Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Mumbai, and Gurugram. Application last date is 3rd August 2026. Selection process, required document, government apprenticeship guidelines, and how to apply step by step. This apprenticeship is the excellent opportunity for the fresh graduate who wants to start their career with the Google in project management. So official link is this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest free government, private internship, apprenticeship certifications, and job updates. So let me open this one. When you will open this page, so this is the project management apprenticeship March 2027 is start, and company is Google, and there is a location details are there, and this is the category of intern and apprentice. So here selected applicants will be matched to the team and need to co-locate. Teams could be in Hyderabad, Gurugram, Mumbai, and Bengaluru. So application information and instruction. Apprenticeship is not a full-time permanent opportunity. This program is for 24 months in duration. So while the program is open, those who are interested in the project management careers and recent graduate and individuals with the work experience in other industries may apply. So this is the only eligible to apply for any other full-time role in Google in last 3 months or their apprenticeship program tenure. So once onboarded, apprenticeships are expected to stay committed to the primary location they are staff at the during the apprenticeship program. And role is not eligible for immigration sponsorship. An applicant must include a resume with their application clearly calling out their year of graduation. So whole process will spread across the 8 to 24 months. We kindly be patient during the same. So this posting will be live from the August 3rd 2026, and government mandate is there. You should have the active mobile number with the Aadhaar seeded and include the personal email address, and this is mandatory requirement for the registration, KYC and verification process. Candidate must possess the Aadhaar seeded bank account. You can go with the two apprenticeship training, and both should be in the different rate. So additional application guidelines is there. Candidate should not be previously undergo apprenticeship program under the Apprentice Act. Okay. So this is the details. There is a will go with the minimum qualification, bachelor degree any field, and less than 1 year of relevant experience in the project management role post graduation. Experience using the Google Workspace, just like a Google Gmail, Chrome, Docs, Sheets, or similar application. Ability to communicate in English fluently, to understand and execute instruction and learn via training, documentations, and presentations. Preferred qualification: experience working in any industry, event, media, customer service, hospitality, tourism, accounting, etc. Ability to work independently and within a team framework. Ability to work with the uh, suitable solution, seek help and advice where appropriate. Excellent problem solving skill should be there. About a job, so this apprenticeship is the learning and development program for the 24 months. So other details are there. Responsibilities is there. and develop general project management skill across the variety of discipline and skill needed to communicate and change the risk management. So how to coordinate with the internal resources execution, develop the team communication skill, and develop understanding the project scope. So this is the detail about the project management apprenticeship. And when you will click on apply now, you will find this page. There is a 5 steps are there. First, create your profile. So this is important because as Google Career profile save your info so that you can apply quickly and provide personalized job recommendation and career content to help you in your search. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. So there is a name details are there, country code and phone number. Upload your resume and just go through the term and condition, privacy policy, and submit and continue. Second step is career profile. Third step is role information. Fourth step is the self identification. Fifth is the review and apply. And after that, you should wait for the 18 to 24 months kind, because it will take time to process this one. So we have learned step by step process for the project management apprenticeship 2027 is provided by the Google. So we'll go through the step by step process and we have completed all the things. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching. And disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright violation is intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com, and you can follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. And do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box and like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.